Oxford Read and Discover. Level 1. Wild Cats by Rob Sved. Read by Laurel Lefko. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2013. Introduction. Pet cats live with people. People give them food. Wild cats don't live with people. They live outside, and they find food. What cats can you see here? What wild cats do you know?
Discover!
Now read and discover more about wild cats. Chapter 1. Wild cats. There are wild cats all around the world. Cats live in cold places and in hot places. Cats live on the ground and in trees. The snow leopard is a big cat. It lives in snowy mountains. It has thick fur to stay warm. The margay lives in rainforests. It can climb well, and it lives in trees. The black-footed cat is a little cat. It lives in hot places. It can't climb well. It lives in holes in the ground. Chapter 2. Fur. Cats have fur to stay warm. Their fur helps them to hide from other animals too. Cheetahs have spots. Baby cheetahs have long, white fur too. They can hide in grass. Can you see the tiger? Tigers have orange and black stripes. They can hide in long grass. The mountain cat has spots and stripes. It can hide on rocks.
Discover!
Sand cats have fur on the bottom of their paws. This protects them from hot sand. Chapter 3. Mouths and Teeth. Cats have a big, strong mouth. They have long, sharp teeth, too. The clouded leopard has 4 long teeth to help it to hunt deer, monkeys, and birds. Many cats bite trees. This makes their teeth very sharp. Look at this jaguar. Can you see its sharp teeth? Some big cats use their mouth to roar. Then other cats know where they are. They roar to say they are angry or sad, too. Lions can roar very well.
Discover!
Cats use their long tongue to clean their fur. Chapter 4. Senses. Cats use their senses. They can hear, see, and smell very well. This helps them to move around and to hunt other animals. The serval has big ears. It hunts mice. It can hear the mice under the ground. Cats can see well at night. The ocelot has white fur around its eyes. This helps it to see well. Some cats can smell well, too.
Discover!
The lynx can smell a rabbit that's 300 meters away. Chapter 5. Tails. Many cats have a long, strong tail. Their tail helps them to run and turn. The puma uses its tail to help it to jump and land on its paws. Cats can use their tail to show they are happy, sad, or scared, too. The snow leopard has a long, thick tail. It can put its tail around its body. This helps it to stay warm in the snowy mountains.
Discover.
The jaguar uses its tail to hunt fish. It moves the water with its tail. Chapter 6. Food. Cats eat meat. Big cats hunt antelopes, zebras, and other big animals. They hide in grass and look for animals. Big cats are strong, and they can run very fast to hunt other animals. This cheetah sees an antelope. It runs fast to hunt the antelope. Some cats eat birds, mice, and other little animals. This leopard eats snakes. Cats have long, sharp claws to help them to hunt other animals. Look at this tiger. It has very sharp claws. Chapter 7. Baby cats. Cats protect their babies from other animals. Baby cats can't eat meat. They drink milk from their mother. This mother lion has milk for 2 baby lions. Cats help their babies to move around. This mother cougar carries a baby in her mouth. Baby cats love to have fun. They jump and play together. This is fun, and it helps the babies to learn how to hunt. Chapter 8. Protect cats. Many wild cats are in danger. Some people cut down trees in rainforests. Then some wild cats don't have a home or food. Many big cats are in danger. Some people hunt big cats for their skin. Then they sell the skins. Many zoos protect wild cats. They give the cats food, and they help the cats to have babies. You can see lots of different wild cats in zoos. Wild cats are amazing. Protect wild cats.